Hi and welcome to INTERGEO TV, the official broadcast channel and podcast, where we address current and future-oriented topics and reflect INTERGEO's motto, inspiration for a smarter world in all its facets. Explore with INTERGEO TV and the experts interview the future of geoinformation, geodesy and land management. So welcome to this INTERGEO TV expert interview. My name is Denise Wenzel, and today we're diving into the world of real estate valuation and what role do geodesists play in the valuation of land and real estate. Our expert in this interview is Peter Ache. Peter is regarded as a well-known expert in the field of real estate valuation and market observation in Germany, but both nationally and internationally. He's the editor-in-chief for the German Property Market Report by the Committee of Valuation Experts. And he also leads the working group on real estate valuation of the German Society for Geodesy, Geoinformation and Land Management, DVW. He's dedicated to the development of national and international standards for valuation. And additionally, he publishes technical articles and he's a speaker at professional events. And right now, he's here at INTERGEO TV. Hi, Peter. How are you?
Hi, Denise. Thank you for being here, and I'm really happy to be with you here and being asked about the role of valuation in context of geodesists. Thank you very much.
So let's dive into this interview. We prepared about 7 questions right now to you as our expert in this interview today. And we will start with a fact, because there are lots of online platforms in the internet where you can get quick and easy real estate valuations. But what do you think as a professional? So is this truly transparent or does this really work? Explain it to us.
It's not real transparency. What we understand what transparency on real estate market should be. When you look into the internet and you're looking for prices, for expected prices, and you're consulting a website, most websites are working based on asking prices. So it's not the real purchase prices, it's asking prices, and no one knows what kind of algorithm are behind these calculations of the prices. So it's quick and dirty, it's okay, but it's not the kind of real estate we understand what transparency in real estate markets is.
Okay, so I see there's an importance behind it. So let's take it as a separate question. So why is transparency in the real estate market so important?
It's important because transparency is one of the main pillars of democracy. When a democracy is not transparent, so the people don't know what's going on the market, it's not really democratic. So the transparency overall is one of the main points of democracy. And the same is for real estate markets. So when no one knows what's going on the market, it's not really democratic what's going on there. So it's really, really important. This is the one point. And the next point is the social impact of transparent market. So when you don't know what your neighbor pays for a house or pays for rent for a house, it's really intransparent, and it's dangerous for you to invest money. This is the main problem.
Thank you. So INTERGEO is, of course, for people from surveying sector, for geodesists, for everybody who's interested in geoinformation. So what role do geodesists play in the valuation of land and real estate, seen from now, but also in the future?
Okay, yes. When it comes to valuation, you don't know what the price is in the first step. So when you have a home or a part of land or a property and you evaluate this property, you don't know the price. So what is the outcome of the valuation? The outcome is an expected price. And this expected price should be very, very close to the price that has this has been paid for this piece of land, at least in reality. So a good valuation needs the circumstances of the market this property is in. And when we're talking about circumstances about pieces of land, we are talking about geodata. And this is the connection from valuation to geodesy, because the geodesists, they know how to deal with geodata. And from my point of view, let's say in one sentence, valuation data or property prices should become geodata. This is my point of view, and I'm working on this quite hard because it's not usual.
Automated valuation or processes with artificial intelligence are increasing. So what can AI do and what can't it do in your market?
When we're talking about AI, artificial intelligence, everyone is talking about this topic in the moment, and it's really, really a really high discussion in the moment. And the question is, when it comes to valuation, what can AI do in reality? What is the point of view? And the main thing is the basis of artificial intelligence or automatic valuation modeling, what we say in valuation, is the quality of the data. As soon as we have good quality of data, we can have good valuation. So we can calculate automatically the expected value of a piece of land. And further on, we can simulate what happens if this or that circumstances comes into the case. And this is a really, really important point of view. And my problem is when we discuss those things in Germany, we should come closer to a high quality data about prices and about real estate circumstances.
Millions of plots of land properties are being revalued as part of the property tax reform, as said in Germany. So will this bring the necessary transparency to the data that you need? Will this help?
Tax reform in Germany is not a nice topic to talk about, because it's really complicated, and they're talking about tax reform since years and years. Currently, we have regulations and laws how to assess the value of property in Germany as a base to get taxes upon property. Whether these laws are compliant to our constitutional law or not, that will be reviewed in the next years. So we are not sure if this system, what now is implemented or will be implemented, will be held on. So if it is not holding on, many of the experts are expecting this, the artificial intelligence will come into place. Because when you look over the borders of Germany in the international side, you see that many countries use artificial intelligence, or so to say, automatic valuation modeling for mass valuation, for taxation. And this might be the next point of view. The next point we have to go on. And I'm really expecting that there will be changing something.
Thank you, Peter. And the last question is where you can highlight anything you want at the end. So in your dreamland or in a perfect world, so how can we really achieve a fair or a good or a transparent real estate market? What would be your solution or your wish for?
Well, in Germany, we have a really high bureaucracy. And this is sometimes disturbing a little bit the increasing of the quality of real estate data, which is okay. But what we need is we need a central database or a good connected different databases about geodata combined with price data. And when we want to use artificial intelligence in a smart way, in a clever way, then we need a good database about all those geodata. And this is where the geodesists, where all my colleagues are coming into place. We have to work together and we have to build a standardized, very good database to handle all the challenges that are coming in the next years up. We must be able to simulate what happens when, for example, the temperature is increasing. We must simulate what happens if the government supports special investments in, say, solar panels or whatever. So this is the very important thing, to use artificial intelligence in a good way, on the one side. On the other side, the experts have to control what happens with those data. And this is a kind of a security and also a part of the democracy. You must be sure that your personal data is not going to everywhere. This is very important. So experts are really, I know that all the experts are really excited what is going on in the next times, and they have to put in all their energy in those issues.
Let's discuss this and other topics at INTERGEO 2024 from the 24th to 26th of September this year in Stuttgart, in the south of Germany. Or you can join the INTERGEO community all year long on intergeo.de, on LinkedIn, Facebook or Instagram. And if you are from Germany, you can also listen to the podcast from DVW Immoblick, where also Peter Ache is talking to other experts about real estate valuation. So thank you very much, Peter, for joining us here at INTERGEO TV, and hope to see you soon. And this was our expert for today. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Denise. Thank you all. See you all on INTERGEO in Stuttgart. Bye-bye.